Tuesday, February 24th, 2015, 9:02 a.m. We've got Auntie Janet gonna have a little shindig at 10 o'clock, so that you can just look at the tape here. And Amazon hasn't traded in the last 14 minutes. Netflix is kind of similar, so at least in the next hour or so, I don't expect much to happen. Couldn't. In any case, at some point, if anything gets going here, looking for a hold here on Netflix, can give a 474 to 475 push off of the open. It traded a little bit, 474, printed that pre-market, and now it's more in a holding pattern. And the markets are, as to be expected, up but flat. And futures are really delineating the situation. Let's go to 15, 2107. It's up. You know, there's nothing really wrong with it, but it's flat. Maybe the speculation is that the hike doesn't come till June, and that's still 5 months away, which is like forever in Wall Street. The Greece thing seems to be fairly resolved, and people feel good about it. So Europe held up. Home Depot put out some good numbers, so we still have those strong earnings. And I imagine those are the last quarter of last year. That's basically the thoughts. We have the high that if things want to go north on this, it's 478.20, and the high on Friday, 478.62. Aware of that. High on Thursday of last week, 481. That's where it made its big showing. And the other highs like 476.49, 471.60 before that, when it was lower. And yeah, that was kind of a spiky high. And here was sort of a stronger high, like this 478.64 was able to kind of hang around up by that area. So that's an upside potential. And here's another one. Show it right here. 475 breaching, crossing 475 is a potential event. So what I have written here is versus 470s or 472.20. That's the previous afternoon high. For 474, 475, 478.20, 480. Down, I'll say lose 470, yesterday low, and it's 466s. Or it could be up to the 474.13 fib, reject there and go to 470. I'll jot that down. Or versus 474.13 to 470 to 466. And that's not hard to find here or on here. This is a kind of a fun chart to look at, where you have, let's see, I drew it on the 10-day 60-minute, correct? I should jot those down too. Yeah, I did a couple different scenarios here. See the 38.2 is around a 465 there. But when you do it from this low right here, you get this 466.09, which is a level. There's 470-ish. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, it's based on 7 sessions of action with a low and a high. This 460 is a lot more significant, of course. But you're just kind of charting this. If you're looking at you're looking at sort of consolidation areas, which is 467. We're going to say 466, 467. If you're keyed in on a level 2, you'd be able to catch that. So this is being ready for everything. It is above its simple moving average by a bit. This last trade, 472. Today the SMA comes out to be 470.71, so it's still hanging out above it. It didn't do anything crazy in relation to it yesterday. Yesterday's close was 471.82, and the SMA was 468.42. on yesterday. Amazon, don't really expect much on it before the whole speech thing. It may make a pushback after, but I haven't put even upside or downside scenarios. Just going with one contract trades and making an effort to just trade Netflix with one contract and develop skills with this. I know that there are trades in it for me, and I'd like to take them now.